before this video begins, I do want to make some things clear. I know it sounds way more serious than I intended it to be, but today's video is a video that doesn't happen very often for me. Just because, it is what it is. I mean, it's not exactly a cheap thing, but I want you to understand the manifestation of what went into making this purchase even happen. It is a mix of if you guys remember last year, I bought a Mac Pro, right? And USPS lost it or stole it or whatever happened. I never did find out what happened to that. Anyway, it's a mix of the fundraiser from that and the storage unit burglary that happened to me in November, as well as getting paid this week, as well as my paycheck from YouTube and Twitch. Not very much from Twitch, but YouTube, I do pretty well. I do pretty well for a small channel. And I think the other thing would be my computer repair business that I do on the side. But I just want you guys to know that this is not a flex. I'm not one to flex. I'm not in a position to ever flex anything, really, except knowledge, if anything. But without further ado, I just want you to know I'm not made of money. And so this purchase was a culmination of all those things. With the GoFundMe for when the Mac Pro got stolen and I was out $500 and something odd dollars, combined with those of you who have supported me on eBay as well, buying my stuff, and combined with Nick Ross. Shout out to Nick Ross. He's a very, very good and kind friend. He really is. I'd like to meet him someday. I actually met him through Alfred, I believe, and so I just thank you all who have supported me in some way, even if you just watch my videos. Like, thank you, because that still ends up being money from eBay. I mean, from YouTube. I got eBay on the brain at 24/7. But yeah, I do appreciate all of that support. I'm just a small content creator, small-time content creator. Yeah, here we go. That is the M2 MacBook Pro. 14-inch, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 SSD with the M2 Pro chip. This is a heavy beast, and it feels weird even holding one, but it is a purchase for the eBay business. Because if you don't know already, my eBay business is ran on Mac OS and has been for the last 2 months, 3 months. I was on Windows, but nah, not anymore. I use the Mac Mini to print labels with, but I listed with the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air is currently for sale on my eBay store. I don't need. I actually had 2 MacBook Pros and a MacBook Air. I don't need all these laptops, all these older laptops. So all those are for sale on the store. And wow, this is pretty. There's the MacBook Pro itself. Very nice. M2, space gray. And then we also get the magnetic MagSafe charger is back. That's redundant. The MagSafe charger is back, I meant to say. It's also space gray, which is pretty cool. Designed by Apple in California. I'll never read that stuff. And the power adapter brick. Very nice. We're not here for any of that. I mean, that's all cool. Obviously, any other stuff to be able to use the Mac, but the main event, the main attraction is the MacBook Pro. And yes, this is the entry-level M2 Pro. Look at that. What a nice machine. Super nice. This is the M2 Pro entry-level MacBook Pro. Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay, it says hello. Just gonna peel off the tissue paper. All right, I'm gonna turn up the brightness because it's dim. Oh, I guess it won't let me until I do this. Wow, promotion display.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and update the software, and I'll just show you guys when it's done. This is a weird angle. You can see my messy cables in the background. I was gonna drive some people crazy. I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get this set up, and then yeah, we'll come back to it. All right, so this is the M2 Pro MacBook Pro with the 1080p webcam that's installed, and you're hearing the internal microphone. It is kind of low light, but it doesn't look half bad. Let me go ahead and turn on the Logitech light I installed last week or whatever that was. So there you go. That's with the Logitech light on. That's on the monitor. It's not bad at all. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, 1080p camera built in. I love it. This MacBook Pro is so nice. Seriously, it is so nice. And I've got it mostly set up now. I've been playing with it all day, on and off. Going between this and the PS5, which you'll see that video soon. But yeah, okay. All right, and there it is. It's much more set up than what you saw a little bit ago. I am going to be editing this first video ever, which is this video, on this MacBook Pro and Final Cut Pro. I also have DaVinci Resolve installed and Adobe Premiere. So, because I'm going to be trying out all different ones. I did find this wallpaper on a 4K wallpaper website. I think it looks really good. Hides the notch, which is great. And I don't mind the notch. I actually don't mind it at all. My phone has a notch on it. I mean, so who cares? But yeah, a beautiful 4K wallpaper of a beta fish, a red beta fish. So yeah, expect more videos, much more videos to come. Actually, ended up getting a backpack to go with this MacBook Pro, only because it won't fit in the Michael Kors backpack that I love a lot. But you know, I may end up selling that, because if you know anything about Michael Kors backpacks, that one right there, it's about a $600 backpack. And as nice as that is, I'd rather have the money, I think. So, yeah. But there you go. Space gray. It's the base model MacBook Pro M2 Pro processor. So, yeah. Apple Silicon for the win. I love it. Never going to have Intel Mac again. I think they're going to phase them out, obviously. So, they still sell them for now, but not very many. So, but Apple, you've got quite a chip. A very impressive chip. I love it. So, and 14 inches is nice. I kind of wanted the 16-inch, but I'm more than happy with this size. It's great. And it fits in a 13-inch solo case, which I put inside a backpack for double security. And I did get Apple Care Plus. So, gotta protect your investment. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. More to come. More MacBook Pro videos to come. I'm so excited. I'm just getting started. Stay tuned. I'll see you all later. Peace.